All right, I am back. Okay, so there's so much, and I don't even have an outline, but there's so much that I want to share. Okay, one thing about being a homeschool parent is that you may want to look at programs where you can have your child socialize. So you can look through the Parks and Planning or the Parks and Recreation program in your county or state to see if they have homeschool programs, because nowadays they actually do have programs during the day, even through the library. You can find little programs where you can put your child in a program. It might be like an elective, like art or something like that. You may even find tutorial programs, like where you can find a tutor in specific subjects. You may want to do that, especially math. You may want to have a tutor on standby for mathematics, especially when you're going over the 5th grade. If you weren't excellent at math. Now, I was a math major in college initially. I changed it, but initially I was a math major. And later I'm going to get to that as well, as to some pointers when you're getting to the middle and high school level. And one of the things that was done when I was going into high school that affected my life later down the road when I went to college, and it was a decision that a counselor made for me that was not in alignment with what I desired. So anyway, that's a whole nother story. So I hope I don't forget to get to that, because that's kind of way down the line in my thought process with this homeschooling series. So anyway, checking with your county, checking to see if you all have a homeschool consortium, like a group of parents that get together and talk, where you can ask them questions. That's going to be very, very important, to ask other homeschool parents who have a little bit of experience. What are they doing? How are they doing it? What have they found successful? What have they found not successful? Are there any online programs that can help you? Now that's the key, online programs. So first, I'm going to talk about that next, online programs. But definitely get your child socialized so that they are not by themselves all the time. If they're not in a program with other children, sometimes doing their work in a public setting is nice. Doing it at a library, doing it at a Panera Bread, doing it at a Starbucks, doing it around other people is not a bad idea. Sometimes just to engage with other people, doing it at a Wegmans where they have an area where you can work and have meetings and things of that nature. So that's one thing. Make sure you get your children socialized. All right.